What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Luck, and I'm at my first video today, man. I look tired, don't I? Hell yeah. My face, I'm getting darker. Yeah, but don't mind my haircut. I'm gonna get a haircut today. Later today. I really don't know what I'm doing today. I think I'm gonna just do a vlog, something like that, with my friends. I'm gonna meet up with the guys later, you know what I'm saying? But I'm at the record center right now, get my ID and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all like when man, I'm getting my what's up, y'all? I'm back. I'm getting my ID right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting my ID. I'm in the back right now, but I'm gonna get my ID right now. After this, I might go to work, man. I think my manager's gonna call me in, but yeah, no, but I'm gonna get my ID right now. I'm sure I wanna get done. What's good, YouTube, man? I'm at City Hall right now. Look at my stuff. Oh, I'm at City Hall to my birth certificate and all that because I lost them. You know what I'm saying? What the hell? I just got my stuff. My bad, I couldn't record in there. The security guard told my son now. But yeah, I got my stuff. I think I'm finna go get my ID after this. Get out. We in downtown right now. But it's hot today though. Like it's real hot. Like hotter than usual. Where we going now? Get my ID? No, I'm feeling. Well, I'm gonna catch y'all later. So I just dropped the egg rolls in. I'm waiting for them to get done. You know what I'm saying? So I just dropped the egg rolls in. Still for the customers. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna wrap this back up. But yo, I'm thirsty, bro. I haven't drunk in this for a day, I feel like, bro. But yeah, I get off in 2 hours. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go home. Play a game, some 10K. Yeah, though, I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'm at work. Still. I'm taking out the box right now. You know, niggas bring out these boxes. Real niggas bring out these boxes. Shit, nigga. Oh, I can't curse. My bad. Oh, just leaking chicken juice. What the bro? Fucking Yeezys, bro. My Yeezys, bro. Raps. Just drop these in. Yeah. I go on the slide through to my job, you know what I'm saying? We got all the goodies, you know what I'm saying? Got everything you need. Alright, I was just doing my job, y'all. Now, I'm finna get on here, follow stuff up real quick, you know. Let me know what videos you want to see down below. I'm posting, yes. I'm posting for day school, and I'm going to LA, so I'm stay tuned for that. Right now, you know what I'm saying? Work right now. I might go outside later with the boy. You know what I'm saying? Y'all live vlog here. Alright, YouTube, I just got off work, man. Feels good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I just got off work, man. My fault, y'all. But I just got off work. I'm finna go home. Oh, I got me some food, y'all. I'm saying, I gotta eat. Say they don't look good. Hold on. Fuck it, you talking about, boy? But yeah, so I'm here home. I'm finna end the vlog here, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit post notification. Cause we'll be dropping more videos. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna see y'all later. Peace.